Time to watch some TV. Welcome back to Melon News, reporting to you live from downtown Melon City. Nothing seems to be going wrong. The National Weather Service Office in downtown Melon City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Melon City, southeastern Melon County, and northwestern Melonland, southwestern Pumpkin County, and northwestern Melonland, southeastern Melon County in northwestern Melonland, northeastern Melon County in northwestern Melonland, south central Melon County and Corn County in northeastern Melonland, southwestern Apple County in northeastern Melonland, northeastern Cactus County in northeastern Melonland, southeastern Tomato County and northeastern Melonland until 12:33 p.m. At 12:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail was detected 7.5 miles from Melon City, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Source: Impact: 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles, mobile homes, and poorly built homes is expected. 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts may uproot small trees, blow around loose objects such as lawn chairs that can pose a serious threat to people that are outdoors. If you are in a vehicle, mobile home, or the outdoors, stay vigilant, but move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. For your protection, move indoors. Cloud-to-ground lightning is one of nature's biggest killers. Repeating, cloud-to-ground lightning is one of nature's biggest killers. Do not hide under trees. Hiding under lightning normally strikes tall things such as transmission lines and trees. Trees are susceptible to lightning strikes, so do not stand under them for shelter. Instead, move indoors. Find a substantial shelter that could protect you from flying debris, but at the same time... Oh, so cute, so cute, so cute. Yay. And yeah, that's cool. Love it. Love it. Mm-hmm. Stay tuned to your local media outlets for more information on this developing situation. Or go to our website at www.nationalweatherserviceofficemeloncity.com for further information. If you want to report something, go to our website or call 866-277-4371. That's 866-437-4371. Thank you for listening and thank you for your time. Ad is currently happening here. What? A severe thunderstorm warning was just issued. But let's not worry about that, but for now, continue with the weather. Barbara, give us some more information about the weather here in downtown Melon City. Well, Melon City is susceptible to a lot of tornadoes. The city has set up many tornado shelters and other underground shelters for other disasters such as bomb threats and stuff. and reinforced their buildings here in downtown Mellon City. The everyday government says they have evacuated every place, and so has every other government in everything land and the EA, and they're tired of doing it, and so are the residents. So are the public transportation companies that volunteered. So they're going to stop sending in their forces to evacuate and instead rely on the citizens, their forces, and their public transportation to evacuate. And then when they stop doing it, then that's not their fault that they stopped. And also, another update. The National Weather Service office in Mellon City just has been detecting numerous severe thunderstorms that failed to produce tornadoes but still cause widespread destruction across small towns in the Mellon County area, such as Tomato Town and Pumpkinville. Those towns were absolutely decimated during the severe thunderstorms and tornadoes we've gotten. The highest severity of the tornadoes we've gotten is around EF3, EF4 stages. So it's not the most dangerous tornado, but still quite dangerous for the people around and surrounding the areas. Also, the weather's been abnormally cool during the summer years. It's currently summer, but for some reason it's quite cool. It's been around 60, 70 degrees when it's normally 90 to 110 degrees out here. We wonder why it's a lot cooler than it normally is here in Mellon City. I guess it's just the weather patterns here. But at the same time, we're wondering, is there anything else bad going to happen? Well, researchers in the pumpkin research facility have discovered that yes, the weather patterns will worsen, but they will also get better. We do not know what will happen, but we do know that it is quite dangerous. So for your safety, just stay indoors and avoid going outside for the next couple hours. But until the hours pass, I guess you could do stuff. So yeah. It's not recommended to take showers since, well, that's clearly dangerous as well. Yeah. We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details and information will follow. The National Weather Service office in downtown Mellon City, along with partnering with the Federal Emergency Management Agency at the Mellon City and the Mellon County Emergency Management and Mellon City Police Department, at approximately 12:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The severe thunderstorm that was detected by the National Weather Service office in Mellon City has worsened significantly in the past 2 to 3 minutes. It is expected that this storm could produce heavy rainfall that could cause extreme flooding, up to around 7 to 8 feet in rain. That's a lot of rain. That is a lot of rain. The drains will be...
We need to build an ark?
The water could cause severe flooding in low-lying areas such as Mellon City. If you live within a 10-mile radius or live in Mellon City, you are urged to evacuate. Failure to evacuate within the next 20 to 25 minutes, you will be putting your life in life-threatening danger. The water will slowly start rising in the next 15 minutes. The water will reach 1 inch in 2 seconds. The water will reach 5.5 feet in 10 minutes. And the water will reach its expected maximum height in 30 minutes. The water could pose a serious threat to low-lying areas and other areas that are not safe. You are urged to evacuate. If you cannot evacuate, civil authorities and public transportation services will be evacuating groups of citizens. If you do not evacuate, the Everything government will not save you. They said they would stop sending their forces to evacuate. The Mellanlanian military has been sent out to help with evacuation procedures. The Mellon City National Guard will also be coming to help the military and police and SWAT forces with evacuation procedures. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. Low-lying areas will be absolutely destroyed. And the biggest dam that stretches 7.5 feet long and is 3.5 feet wide could collapse, releasing tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of gallons of water from the Mellon Ocean. This salt water could absolutely decimate Mellon City and other areas in Mellon County and Pumpkin County. If you live within a 100-mile radius of Pumpkin County or Mellon County, or you live in these counties, evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. The flooding will also decimate these areas, but it could also pose a threat to the Mellon City Dam, which, well, is that tall and that wide. So, yeah. Also, the National Weather Service has detected numerous more severe thunderstorms capable of producing 6.5 feet of flooding in Corn, Apple, and Cactus counties. So if you live in any of these areas, you are urged to evacuate. If you live in Tomato County or Dude County, you are urged to stay vigilant. If you live in almond, cashew, cookie, gooseberry, plum, tangerine, or grape or lime counties, you are urged to also stay vigilant. These counties could also be susceptible to the flooding. What? The National Weather Service, along with
I don't know where it went.
the Federal Emergency Management Agency have
I pulled a nail out and it fell. So be careful.
Have detected numerous more severe thunderstorms and numerous weird darkish clouds forming in the area.
Move, Goose.
These clouds, for some reason, look very, very dangerous.
MJ.
But it is expected that these clouds so far do not pose a threat to public safety or well-being. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this message.
What the heck? And Marianne right there, I was gonna catch it.
If you are in lime, grape, cactus style, and tangerine counties, you are urged to seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building or in an underground shelter. Failure to do so could be putting your life in extreme danger. These areas are expected to be wiped off the map because of these clouds. These clouds were formed by the Mellon City Nuclear Power Station. After the Mellon City Nuclear Power Station went into a nuclear meltdown, causing causing acid rain. These clouds will wipe the listed counties off of the map immediately in the next 10 minutes. The Canadian government has responded and sent out some of their military forces to help the military's National Guard with...
Hey! I found half of that charger.
With evacuation procedures. Local police and SWAT forces will also be helping as well. Some of the volunteered everything Canadian citizens also will be coming in helping the military with those procedures as well. So, if you are in any county within 100 miles of tangerine, grape, lime, plum, cookie, cashew, almond, robot, tomato, cactus, apple, or corn counties, you are urged to evacuate towards Mellon County. The Canadian government, the citizens, some of the military, melon military, pumpkin military, corn military, apple military, cactus military, tomato military, lime military, and grape military, along with candy, cactus, lawn, king captain, and princess militaries will be sanctioned in Mellon County to help with evacuation procedures. All the other governments have you already evacuated, and they're in everything land. There is no point in staying. The Mellon government has launched all of their nuclear arsenal, and it will be hitting the Mellon land in the next 75 hours. In the next infinite hours, days, seconds, milliseconds, nanoseconds, millenniums, centuries, decades, and other types of time. So, evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. When evacuating, bring all the essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery power or hand crank radio with extra batteries. Nuclear fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks and explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will almost certainly kill you. The Canadian government said that this was the last time they would be sending out every single force that they had to evacuate all the lands, all the character lands, and all the item lands, and all the lands possible, and countries and stuff. So, evacuate now. Repeating.
Huh?
Evacuate now. A timer will be put on all devices telling you how much time you have left. So, yeah, you better get to evacuating. Bring all the things and people you can with you. Canadian has sent himself out, along with his entire family, friends, gangs, and alliances, to help with the procedures as well. This is the last time he and God will be sending their forces to evacuate. Get out of here now. Repeating, get out of here now. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only. If you do not, call 911 only if you have an actual emergency. The SCP Foundation has also released every single SCP to ruin the world and to be killed. Actually, no, they did not do that to kill them. But they did that to help with evacuation procedures, using their powers for good, not bad. So, yeah. Leave. Repeating. Leave. Regular programming has been stopped. Good. Order more of those or I'm gonna press the big red button. Regular programming has been stopped at the request of the Maryland government to tell you to evacuate. Do not sit here and watch this TV. If you are caught watching this TV, you shall be killed. Repeating, if you are caught watching this TV, you shall be killed. Ill. Look at this city. It's a barren wasteland. Oh, it's been forever since flood. And I haven't experienced any flooding. Look at this. Well, there's a transmission line over there, but that ain't my issue. I guess it's, well, dark. Very dark, actually. I can barely see. I need a light in here. Hold on. I think I know where a light could be. Here is a light. Let me just turn this on real quick. There we go. Now, this ain't enough. This light ain't enough. I need a lamp. There she is. This should be enough. Oh, yeah. Yep. There should be enough light. Okay, alright. I'm dead. I need my pet duck friend. This is the last bomb.
Shake the bottle, shake it up. Break the bottle, break it up. Pour some sugar on me. One bit of love, pour some sugar on me. Let me up, pour some sugar on me. Like it up, I'm hot, sticky and sweet. From my head to my feet.
It could happen to you. Insure blocks. Hurricane insurance. Nukes for kids. Buy now before your parents find out. Nukes for Kids is not responsible for any injury caused by the nukes. Go to the nearest hospital that is not destroyed by the nuke. If you or any of your loved ones have been infected with some radioactive disease.